I just either realized something or saw something on my phone that like made me disappointed or bummed out or whatever. Now I can't remember what it was. But I thought, well, that disappoints me. But I thought I was like, oh, what? That just happened. Thank you. I don't remember now. I guess that works out because I forgot why I was bummed. Yeah, I genuinely, well, okay, I guess I'm back to the same mood I was in, whatever that mood was. I don't even remember anymore. Right now it just smells like I'm at a weed dispensary, so somebody's having fun, I guess. I wonder if it's a truck in front of me, because I've been smelling it for a little bit now. I still do. I really have to pee, but if I go into Sheets to pee, I technically should take my helmet off, because if I walk in there with a helmet on, everyone's gonna look at me like I'm weird. Even though when I worked there, a lot of people did it. I just feel weird walking in with a helmet on. But then if I take it off, I gotta unplug my mic and everything and take everything off, leave it there, trust that nobody's gonna take it, and then come out and set everything back up, which I don't really want to do. So I'd rather just hold it in than be fighting it the whole time than deal with that. Which probably sounds stupid. I'm assuming this truck keeps hitting its brakes because if it goes any faster, it's just gonna fall apart. Either way, it's getting really frustrating. Oh, now we got a Ram fitting the stereotype. Little BB. Big lifted up truck, and he has to tailgate me. Typical. That was a bit dramatic. It slowed down quite a bit and then went off the road anyways. I'm just letting you know that going off of the road over the shoulder, there's still tracks there. So you didn't avoid anything. You still went over the tracks with all of your tires. I'm not sure if you understood that, because I don't know why else you would do that. But you still hit the tracks. I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy some of the scenery. Pretty boring, but at least it's pretty. See stuff like that. Big pond right there in the woods. I love seeing that. Very nice house too, but I really like the woods. Don't love seeing stuff like this where they just leave the grass all over the road. So thank you for that. Nice job, buddy. There's a shoulder there. You just used it as a lane, didn't you? I'm gonna end up peeing myself if I don't.